Okay, good morning class. We're doing page 70 for our math warm-up in our Star Master book. So make sure you've done that before you watch this video on how to solve and the correct answers. Okay? Number 1. The numbers 7, 9, and 63 are part of the same family of facts. Which number sentence belongs in this family of facts? Okay? So we're using the numbers 7, 9, and 63. So I go ahead and look at my answer choices. I see a 7 and a 9, but what was wrong with this one?
It had 16 and there's 63 instead of 16.
Okay, good. We don't need a 16. It should be 63. And you definitely cannot add 9 and 7 and get 63. Okay? So A is not correct. Okay, B. 63 divided by 7 equals 9.
Correct.
It has the 63, 7, and the 9. Okay, so this could be the correct answer. I'm going to go ahead and look at all the other ones. 63 minus 7 equals 56. What was wrong with that one?
It had a 7 and 56, but we don't need a 56.
Doesn't have a 9. We don't need a 56. Okay? So C is wrong. D, 63 minus 9 equals 54. Bryson?
It doesn't have a 7.
Bryson, what's wrong with this one?
It doesn't have a 7, it has a 45.
A 54. Good. It should have a 7 in there and not a 54. Okay? So B was correct. That would be in the same fact family.
Can I read it?
Okay, number 2. Kelsey, go ahead and read.
What number is missing from both numbers below?
Okay, so we need to figure out 8 times what equals 32. So this missing number, and then 32 divided by 8 equals something. And these two boxes are going to be the same number. So I can pick one strategy to figure out what the missing number is. So which one do we want to try?
Array.
An array. So if I'm going to do an array for this division problem, 32 divided by 8, I'm going to start by doing 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then I'm going to keep filling in these columns of 8 until I get to what?
Until you get to 32.
Good. Yes. Okay, so this would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And we stop, and I see I've made 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So 4 is correct. Okay, when you do an array, is it important to go nice and neat and make sure your rows are all lined up like this? Yes. Because some of you will try to make a row and then you end up not getting them lined up and you miscount. Okay, so I might end up with an extra X in there if I don't line it up correctly. Okay. Okay, number 3. Which number sentence is in the same family of facts as the number sentence below? 5 times 9 equals 45. Okay, so I'm going to look at my answer choices. A, what do we think about A? Does that look good?
Yeah, that looks good.
It has all of the same numbers, 45, 9, and 5. Are they in the correct position?
Yes.
Yes, the biggest number needs to go in front. So far that looks good. 5 plus 9 equals 14.
No.
Javea, what was wrong with that one?
It doesn't have a 14.
Javea, what was wrong with B? I can't hear you. Keep your chair still, Kelsey. Say that again. is on B, it's not dividing, it's adding. What's wrong with B? It has a 14. Alright, good. So we shouldn't have a 14. The other numbers are correct. Okay. But we should have a 45 in there, not a 14. C, 45 minus 9 equals 36. What do we think about that, Kaylee?
It doesn't have a 5.
It doesn't have a 5. Should it have a 36 in there?
No.
No. D, Aaliyah, what's wrong with this one?
It doesn't have a 9. And it doesn't need 40.
Good. We don't need 40, and it should have a 9 in there too. It has to have all of these same numbers. So the only one that is using those numbers correctly would be A. Okay. Number 4. All right, Kelsey.
Christy made a number line to show that 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. Christy could use the same arrows and number line to show that.
Okay, so we're trying to figure out what other fact will go with this one by using this number line. Okay. So does this number line show 4 plus 3 equals 7? Would that work?
No.
No, because if I were to do 4 plus 3 on a number line, I would do 4. And then what?
12.
4 plus 3?
Oh, no.
I would do another jump of what? 3. And I would land at
12.
7. Plus 4, or we jumped 4 and then we jumped 3, so that would land at 7, not at 12. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
4 plus 3, so we do one jump of 4, and then 4 plus 3, so we jump 3 spaces and we land at 7. 12 divided by 3 equals 4.
Yes.
Yes, but which way would the arrows be going if I were to show division? We would go backwards. So it is possible we could do it this way, because it does have 12, and it is dividing by 3 because it's doing 3 jumps of 4. Could we use this number line to show 3 times 12 equals 36?
No.
No, what would that look like? 3 jumps of what? 12. So I would need to go 12, 24, then 36. This number line lands at 12, so I can't use this one. Oh, cross that out. 4 times 12. What would that look like?
That would look, you would do 12. You do 12.
4 jumps of
12.
12. So 12, 24, 36, 48. Okay, so none of these number lines that we drew can match this one. The only one that would be able to use this same number line would be B. And it's in the same fact family. Okay. Any questions on that? Did we get it right?
Yeah, I got 4 right. Yes. All of them.
Got them all right? All right, good.
Right. So there's 4 right.
I know. We should be getting them all right.
Easy.
Okay, put this away, and then we are going to watch a quick little brain pop video on area. We're starting area today. So those of you at home, you'll be doing the same thing as us.